Girl, come on. Mia, I'm trying. Okay, let's go. Why? To go see your lovebird? Let's go. Are you serious? Sorry I'm late, Miss Hoppingtons. I didn't get a pass. I'm letting it slide. But get it next time, please. Okay. Hey, Jack. Here you go, Miss Hoppingtons. Well, thank you, dear. NP. What'd you say? NP, no problem. That's why words are invented. Anyways, class. Oh, sorry. Oh, hey you. Oh, hey Alex. See, you're still wearing that necklace I gave you, aren't you? Yes. What's there to laugh about? You act like we're married. No, I don't. Okay, hotshot. Okay. Psst, Alex. What? I can actually feel it. You're getting married in the future. Sweet dude, thanks. Can I go to the bathroom? Excuse me. Manners? Sorry. May I go to the bathroom? You may. I got a question for you. What is it? Okay. Well, you know, spill the beans. I like you. That's not really a question, but do you like me? Are you trying to embarrass yourself? So you don't? Of course I do. Why do you think that I look at you and smile all the time? Just thought you were being polite. No, of course not. Oh. Okay. Well, good to know. I can sniff lovebirds. Shut up! Sorry. Ugh. Who's lovebirds now? Why, you little... Hey, you said it. Alright, class. It's lunch now. And, by the way, Tiffany, go find Wenji. Wenji. Always have to use the bathroom so much. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Come in, you big doofus. Ugh. Shut up, Tiffany. My gosh. Looks like someone's having a kitty fight over there. Right? That's what I'm saying. Yo, man, I gotta talk to you in the hallway. Oh, okay. Come on. Dude, remember our one plan? Yeah. We still on? Duh. Let's go. You big doofus, we have to go get the girls. Forgot. You boys brought us here because... Yeah, why? Because we brought you to the school attic because, Go.